What if I told you that 90% of businesses are adding one specific clause to their contracts right now? That could be the difference between staying profitable or taking a massive hit to their bottom line. And if you're in construction, architecture, or property management, or any part of a real estate ecosystem, you cannot afford to ignore this. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down complex financial topics into actionable strategies for real estate professionals. I'm your fractional CFO, and today we're talking about something that sounds boring, but could literally save your business thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars. We're talking about tariff clauses in contracts. Stay with me. I promise this one may be more exciting than it sounds. All right, picture this. You're a construction company and you've just signed a contract to build a new apartment complex. You've quoted your client based on today's material cost, steel beams, lumber cost, smart home systems, all of it. Your margins are tight, as they always are in construction, but you're confident you'll make a profit. Then bam, 2 months into the project, tariffs hit. Suddenly, all these smart home devices that you're installing 25% more expensive. The steel for the framework up 30%. Those beautiful Italian tiles your interior designer specified, forget about it. They are now luxury items. So who eats those costs? Without the right contract language, my friend, that's you. And here's the kicker. This isn't some hypothetical scenario. This is happening right now. A recent study just revealed that 9 out of 10 companies are scrambling to add tariff protection to their contracts. Why? Because tariffs aren't going away. They're not temporary anymore. They are the new normal. Now, let me break down for everyone in our real estate ecosystem. Construction firm, every nail, every beam, every piece of equipment you import or that contains imported product or part could see price swings. Architects and designers, those specific materials you specified out for your clients, the unique fixture, the sustainable materials from overseas, those prices could change mid-project. Property management companies, all those smart home upgrades, security system, maintenance equipment you've been installing across the properties, yep, they all will be affected. For our real estate tech companies, clients, the hardware components for your smart locks, your sensors, the property management devices, most of those components come across from overseas. And here's what really gets me. Studies show that US companies are eating 64% of these tariff costs, not the foreign suppliers, not always the end consumer, you, the business owner, and absorbing nearly 2/3 of these increases. That's money straight out of your profit margins. So what's the solution? This is where those tariff clauses come in. And they're actually very genius when you understand them. Think of tariff clauses like insurance policy built into your contract. It basically says that, hey, if tariffs hit, changes prices and make the materials and products more expensive, here's exactly how we're going to handle it. Maybe you split the cost increase with your clients 50-50. Maybe you have the right to substitute materials. Maybe prices automatically adjust. The point is, you're not the one caught holding the bag. Here's what smart companies are doing right now. First, they're adding language that allows for price adjustment if tariffs hit. Simple as that. So if tariffs increase or costs by more than X%, you can adjust your pricing accordingly. Second, they're building in flexibility for sourcing. So cannot get those materials from China anymore at a reasonable price. Your contract allows you to source from elsewhere without penalty. Third, they're setting clear triggers. So not vague language, but specific percentage and timelines. If tariffs increase costs by 5% or more, you have 30 days to notify your clients of price changes. And here's my favorite part. You don't need to be a legal genius to do this. Yes, Your legal team should review it, but the concept is simple. Protect yourself from unpredictable cost increase that's completely outside of your control. Now, why I'm telling you this now? Because we are in a perfect storm situation. Courts are actually challenging some of these tariffs, which could mean refunds for some businesses, but also means more uncertainty. Political changes mean trade politics, and policies change could shift at any moment. Global supply changes are still recovering. Almost half of the businesses surveyed say they're overwhelmed by the number of contracts they have to review. So don't be part of that statistic. Start right now before your next project, before your next major purchase order, or before the next service agreement that you have to sign. And here's the thing, your client will actually appreciate this transparency. Nobody wants surprises. So when you say, look, we're building in protection for both of us against tariff changes, you're showing that you're thinking ahead, you're professional, and you're protecting the project success. Look, I know contracts are in the 60th topic, but this is the kind of things that separate successful real estate businesses from those that struggle with every market change. One clause, that's all it takes to protect potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars. So here's your action item. Look at every contract you're about to sign. If it doesn't have tariff protection language, add it. Talk to your legal team, your CFO. Heck, reach out to me if you need guidance or my team. This is exactly the kind of strategic financial planning that we help our clients here every day. If this video helped you understand why this matters to your business, hit the like button and subscribe for more real-world financial strategies for real estate professionals. And drop me a comment below, ask me a question, and tell me how's that going for your business and how the tariff is affecting your business. I read every comment and answer every question myself. Remember, in today's market, it's not just about working hard. It's about working smart with the right protection in place. So until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep protecting those margins. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
This has been another episode of our tax saving video series. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe below, and share with other business owners. You can find previous episodes and more information at www.bostacpa.com. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.